Video will definitely find you before you write your re-NEET, which the date has not been announced. But I am opening up on something that has been eating me up, a very personal story, and I really wanted to forego my privacy, and I wanted to share this because I have a lot of students in my audience. Before that, hi, I'm Sviksha. I'm a full-time YouTuber, and I like share spiritual messages and life coaching and all of that. So it was the year 2017, and I live in Tamil Nadu. So it was the second year where NEET was made mandatory for all the students who want to do MBBS, BDS, and also Ayurveda and homeopathy and all the alternative medicines also. So I was in a dilemma because I wanted to do MBBS, but I did not want to write NEET. Why? Because I had not prepared. And I was from a state board background, which is Tamil Nadu state board background for 11th and 12th. So I focused only on my school syllabus that was being taught, and I was not prepared in any level, mentally or academically, to write the exam. Okay. So what happened was, when we come from a very middle class family. Uh, so 3 months before the NEET exam, my mother decided that, okay, let's just try for the exam. I don't have any expectations on you. Let's just try for the exam. You just go and attempt. So she paid 5,000 rupees, I think, for an academy called as RGR Academy. I still remember that. And they gave me 3 books. See, I would have definitely not have passed that exam because I did not prepare anything. But this was what happened. So I want you to listen to this like a story. So I was given the books, and I was not even studying. I was just going through the books, and I applied for the exam. I got the hall ticket and everything. But you know what happened? I did not even go and attend the exam. People till now in my YouTube journey are thinking that I failed the exam, but I did not even go and attempt the exam. You know why? There was this extreme fear that I would fail, and there was this extreme anxiety that I did not prepare well. And I created a tantrum. I said I will not go. I sat in the place. I said I will not go. It's so embarrassing to share this right now, but at that time, that was what my mindset was. And my parents tried everything to do. They said it's okay if you fail. We're not going to tell the marks to anybody. Just go and attempt. No. And that was the year when I clearly understood that I had this extreme anxiety inside me. See, this is a very, very emotionally difficult video for me because my life turned at that year. It was a life-changing year for me, not in a good way, life-changing. So I did not attempt the exam, and that year's exam was very easy. See, what I'm trying to tell is, the children who have given the NEET already, exam has been cancelled. You have to give the NEET again. Half of you all might be thinking, I don't want to give this exam. I want to drop out of the exam. Please don't do that, because you might be thinking, Mera pura, whatever I studied, I've forgotten now, all of that. But I want to tell this one thing to you. Just go and attempt the exam. I'm not asking you to prove anything. Don't do anything. Just go and attempt the exam. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Don't even have to revise. Whatever you know, just go and attempt the exam. Because till date, I have this regret that I did not go and attend the exam. Because in my mind, I come from an OC background, and I knew that my parents cannot pay for a private seat, and I will not get a government seat because I did not study. But had I had that 1% of faith in God, chalo, let's write and see the exam. Ki what really is the paper. If by luck I had gotten 300, 350 marks also, I would have gotten somewhere. But I did not do that. But right now I am not regretting. I have spiritually grown as a person. I knew that that's not my path. That's why it did not happen to me. But if you're watching this, don't do the mistake that I made. Please go and attend the exam. I know that re-NEET is tough. I know that writing it again is such a horrendous experience. Whatever you have studied, you have to study again and go. But it is okay. Go and give the paper. That is what I'm trying to tell you. It's going to be 10 years, but that experience I will never, ever, ever forget in my life. It is, maybe I will never forgive myself for what I did that day or to my parents that day. So consider me your elder sister because I think I might be of that age. And with this re-NEET, please go and attend the exam. Result कुछ भी आ जाए, no worries at all. Just go and attend the exam, and I promise you that whatever you had studied previously will come to the memory, and you will be able to write the exam well. आगे का मत सोचो. Don't think about the future की result क्या आएगा, I've written it second time and etc. That should not be in your mind. Just go and give the exam. This is the message that I want to share. And I hope people won't judge me because I find this community to be very true people, very good people. So yes, it's now of my past, but sometimes I do regret कि मैंने exam नहीं दिया. So I hope this message was very loud and very clear to all of you all. Lots and lots of love. I'm always there as a buddy DZ for you. And I do give consultations. A WhatsApp number is there. You can consult me there. And I will see you all in another beautiful video. Until then, bye-bye.